Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. I want to give you another suggestion on a way to stage your cat that may make it a little bit easier to deploy, especially if you're wearing big thick gloves like this. Like sometimes I do wear gloves like this. And it makes it a little bit easier when you go to pull this red tab. So you may or may not know is under stress, your fine motor skills go to pot and you just can't do what you want to do sometimes. In your head, you know exactly what you want to do, but you just can't get it to your hands. So making things easier and under stress can make things a lot easier and can save valuable seconds. So most times I've staged my cat like this right here. The red tip is perfectly flat, it's folded nice and flat, ready to go. But when I was at the tactical medicine practitioner course at SOAR Rescue, they told us to fold the red tip down like this. And actually playing with it, I really like it because now I have something larger to grab a hold of, especially if I'm wearing gloves. There are some situations where I wear these gloves over the nitrile gloves because the nitrile gloves, like the regular EMS gloves, will tear when you start touching metal, things like that. So I wear these. And I very well may wear like the nitrile gloves up under these, give me some protection, but there's times I wear these. So trying to mess with something really small can be difficult, especially if your heart rate's a little bit elevated. So with folding it now, I have a tab to grab a hold of to pull to start to deploy the cat. So you can see here wearing these types of gloves, plus under stress your fine motor skills, this can be a little difficult. So having this tab here makes it something you can grab a hold of, makes it easy to pull, get the tourniquet tight. Hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.